Hi, John Parker here from MarineMax, Rhode Island. Welcome aboard the Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Starting here, I'd like to point out a few key features of the boat. Dual Mercury 4-stroke 250 horsepower engine. Plenty of power to up and go on this boat. You have 4 rod holders back here. You have a pull-out shower, hot and cold water, and seating way in the back here. Easily pops open for to join a conversation pit. Seats easily 3 people, and when you're in fishing mode, disappears. You have a raw water pickup here on the port side. Your battery turn on and off switch is located here on the back starboard side. Moving forward, you have a cooler, some cup holders, a little bit of storage, and a sink with a pull-out faucet. You have a table insert here. You also have another table insert up at the bow. The seating here is very purposely engineered. You can have it as a chaise lounge looking aft, all the way down, and then this seat pops open as a chaise forward. Hidden underneath the seat is a bait well / cooler. Very unique place to put it. And then underneath here you have a little bit more storage. And then this opens back up to a full seat this way. Moving on to the helm. A big Raymarine screen. You have your throttles, all your lights and pumps and switches here. Fusion stereo, VHF, and engine diagnostics. The 27 Vantage has a port side head, and you have a sink and a pull-out faucet for a shower. You can take a nice hot shower. Moving forward, again, Boston Whaler has some great sturdy frames. And when you close this and this door here, you can pretty much talk in silence back there, even when you're running up on plane. The bow has a lot to offer: cup holders, chargers for your phones, storage on the port side, and also a great storage on the starboard side. If you can look in there, you have access to store a lot of gear inside here. And lastly, up forward you have another pull-out shower and your anchor windlass, which can be operated remotely here or at the helm. And that's it for the 270 Vantage. If you'd like to schedule a showing, please contact me, John Parker, MarineMax, Rhode Island.